Hello friends, is your car hesitating, misfiring, or randomly stalling? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0321, this means your engine speed sensor is malfunctioning. A faulty reading can cause irregular ignition timing, misfires, and sudden engine shutdowns. In this video, we'll break down what P0321 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0321 stands for Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit Range Performance Problem. Your car's powertrain control module relies on the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor to monitor engine speed and adjust fuel injection and ignition timing. If the RPM signal is inaccurate, unstable, or missing, the engine may misfire or stall unexpectedly. Common symptoms of P0321. Media group car dashboard with illuminated check engine light, car tachometer showing erratic RPM readings, vehicle stalling mid-drive at stock distribute _ equally, check engine light on, erratic RPM readings or tachometer fluctuation, engine stalling or hesitation during acceleration, misfires and poor fuel efficiency, hard starting or no start condition, loss of power, especially at high speeds. Ignoring this code can leave you stranded with a non-starting engine. Since P0321 is related to engine speed detection, here are the key locations to inspect crankshaft position sensor, located near the crankshaft pulley, flywheel, or transmission bell housing. It monitors crankshaft rotation and sends RPM data to the PCM. Camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head near the camshaft gears, it works with the crankshaft position sensor to synchronize fuel injection and ignition timing. Ignition control module, mounted near the ignition coil or distributor. It processes the RPM signal and sends it to the PCM. Distributor. Older vehicles with distributors have a built-in engine speed sensor inside the distributor. PCM wiring and connectors. Faulty wiring between sensors and the PCM can disrupt engine speed signals. If any of these components fail, the PCM won't receive accurate RPM readings, triggering P0321. Common causes of P0321 include a faulty crankshaft position sensor, which, if damaged, prevents the PCM from accurately detecting RPM. A bad camshaft position sensor can cause ignition timing issues. A worn ignition control module can lead to unstable RPM signals. Loose or corroded wiring or connectors can result in weak or missing signals. In older vehicles, distributor issues due to worn-out distributor sensors may lead to incorrect RPM readings. Lastly, PCM software issues, whether from a faulty PCM or outdated software, can misinterpret RPM data. How can you fix P0321? Well, start by using an obd2 scanner to check for related misfire codes, like P0300 to P0308. Next, inspect the crankshaft position sensor and replace it if the readings are unstable. Then, check and test the camshaft position sensor. Make sure to inspect the wiring and connectors for any damage or corrosion and repair them if needed. Test the ignition control module and replace it if it's faulty. For older vehicles, check the distributor sensor inside the ignition system. If everything else checks out, a PCM update or reprogramming may be required. Finally, clear the codes and take the car for a test drive to ensure smooth RPM readings. Driving with a P0321 code can lead to sudden stalling misfires and even a complete engine shutdown. Fixing this issue ensures better acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and overall better engine performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.